Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel of Testler Educational Consultancy Services, and here we are back again with one of our PTE videos. And today I'm going to be explaining you each and everything about PTE introduction, like what PTE exam is and how many types of exams are there and what exam should you go for. So rest of the things I'm going to be explaining it to you in the details. So before you move forward, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, now I'm going to be moving forward to PTE PSL's test of English. So basically this is a proficiency test of English in which your English will be tested, and if you want to move to an English speaking country you will have to go through with this exam. Specifically if I talk about Australia or Canada. Now there are two types of exams, PTE academic and PTE core. PTE core has recently been started by this PTE test, and these test centers have given this particular test just for Canadian immigration. Yes, you heard me right. If you want to move to abroad, specifically to Canada, then you will have to go through with PTE core test. But if in case you want to go for Australia for either study purpose or for immigration purpose, or to Canada even for study purpose, you will have to go through with PTE academic test. Now there are varieties of types of questions in PTE academic and PTE core, and there are a few questions in PTE academic which definitely are not there in PTE core, and there are some new questions also originated by PTE itself in PTE core. For example, in writing section, in academic you get essay writing, but here you get email writing. So there are a few differences in terms of question types. Rest of all the questions are almost same. So rest of the things you will be, you can just check it out in our one of the YouTube videos of PTE. For example, if I talk about the other modules test, you can check it over there. Now here we have 4 different modules. It's speaking, reading, writing and listening. In IELTS, we consider it as 4 different modules. It's LSRW, listening, speaking, reading and writing. But in PTE, we consider speaking and writing together. So basically in PTE, we have 3 modules only: listening, reading, speaking and writing together. Now, why one should take PTE exam? Why to take PTE? Is it important or not? And what are the advantages of taking PTE exam? So one thing which is very important is this, that many universities in different countries accept PTE exam. So definitely you should go for it. If in case you want to go for study purpose in either Australia or Canada, you should definitely go for PTE exam. Also, it's a computer based test and everything is going to be checked by AI itself. So definitely you will be getting fair results according to the test you have taken or according to the performance that you have given. So all the modules will be checked by AI. And there's one more thing which is cherry on the cake, I would say, is this, that you're going to be getting your result within 2 days only. Yes, you heard me right, that you get your result within 2 days. So this is very easy to do, I would say. Like you can practice it online, you can practice it at home. PTE exam is something, you have a lot many apps available online which you can practice on, and definitely there's a software required on which you will be practicing the mock test, the sectional test or whatever the sample test you want to go through with, just to make yourself comfortable about giving your exam. Now whenever you're planning to take this PTE exam, you just have to go through with a few of the apps available online, or you can take the training from some of the test centers available in your cities or in your areas. And it is very easy test, a very short period test, I would say. Here basically what do we happen is, what generally they give you papers, or what questions generally they give you are very short, 1-word answers, 2-word answers, or probably 3-word answers. But in reading, if I talk about, there's gonna be only 1-word answer, and if I talk about listening, again there will be gonna be 1-word answer. And writing is something where you will have to put more focus on, because there you will have to be more creative while speaking or while writing, and there you will have to have brainstorming. There you will be thinking of some new words, kuch nayi cheezein aap dimag mein lekar aaoge regarding the topic. And regarding the topic, you will have to think in such a way that you can write it in as exaggerated form as possible. Jitna ho sake aapko usko explain karna hai, because essay writing and email writing is something which you will have to write a little more as compared to the other modules. In essay writing, you will have to write 250 to 300 words. In email, you will have to write approximately 50 to 70 words. So there you will have to write some more than, I would say, more words as compared to the other modules. Now, there is no age barrier. There's one more point if I talk about why one should go for PTE. So there's no such age barrier in terms of PTE that this particular age people only can take this particular exam. Not at all. There's no such age barrier. Now, the other thing is candidate can give this particular exam as many times as they want. So candidates, those who are interested in giving this PTE exam and are not satisfied by any chance and want to take it again. So there's full privilege to you that you can take it as many times as possible, whenever you want to, wherever you want to. It is very, very convenient for everybody. So, if in case you want to move to abroad and you're planning for Canada or immigration for either study purpose or immigration purpose, make sure to go for PTE. It's the easiest paper and simplest paper, I would say. Thank you and subscribe our channel.